Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of grocery haul. So I got some toothbrush, some toothpaste and laundry detergent. Now I got some samosas. These are something needs to be heated up later as you eat. So I got 2 boxes of those. Each have I think 15 or 20. And I have some chutney. This is a tamarind chutney. I have some hakka noodles. So I have some squash, green squash. I got 3 packages of that, and I got 2 packages of the red onion, and then I have some mandarin, and I have some triple berry blend. This is for smoothie, and I have 2 packages of lemon lime, and I have some blackberries, 2 packages, and I have spicy guacamole, and I have spicy hummus, this for tortillas, and then I have some frozen strawberries and some frozen green beans and some broccoli. These are more broccoli, and my ginger and my garlic. So I got some cauliflower. This cauliflower, frozen cauliflower, 4 packages. Got some tortillas to eat with my guacamole and hummus, and got some coconut oil. So I have some bananas, and I have some bitter melons. I got 2 bucket of bitter melons, and then I got eggplant, the long one. I have 4 bunches of cilantro and some organic juice, and I have some green chili pepper. I have some dry one from previously, but I got fresh ones, so I keep the fresh one at the bottom and dry ones at the top. I'll probably put the dry ones for growing chili pepper plants. And I have some pumpkin, so I'm going to use this seed to grow. It's some cabbages. So these are some of the produce. Got lots of frozen produce as well. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.